And this is how a lot of people are making money at the moment. If you have free time on your hands, right, and you have access to the computer, and you have internet, you can start an online business today. And you can start making up to 3,000-4,000 within your first month. And I'll show you how.
You and I, Bonnie and Clyde, my number one baby, my rhythm and blues.
The first thing is ensuring that you have an understanding about a particular area, industry, segment. So you need to do your research. You need to understand the market. That's crucial. That's number one. The next thing is being able to find and source relevant products that are best sellers, so already doing quite well, all right, and find a way to position that within your actual shop. Third thing is to create a good front for which people can come over, see the products, find it quite easy to navigate, understand, get information, but most importantly, purchase. Now, once you've got that all, the last step is the marketing, the pushing out, and the creating the awareness, but also driving traffic. Once you've driven that traffic there, the last thing you need to do is focus on your CRO, conversion rate optimization. So if 10 people come to your website, out of those 10 people, how many people purchase? How many people do you convert? If that's 1 in 10, what you need to be trying to do is how you can increase that to 2 in 10. From 2 in 10 to 3 in 10. From 3 in 10 to 4 in 10. Increasing your conversion ratio, which means that you're getting the same amount of traffic to your website, but you're ensuring that you're converting more of them by ensuring that your website's easy for them to navigate. You're using a couple of things like automation tools. For instance, there is a product abandonment. So if someone views a product on your website and they leave, you can design an email to go to them about that particular product and give them an incentive, for instance, a 25% discount. This is all automated, you know. That's one. Two, you've got the abandoned cart. If someone puts something in their cart and they don't finish the checkout, you have a process, a 3-step process over several days to try to convert these guys. For instance, one email going out after 12 hours saying, hey, look, you've left stuff in your basket. We just noticed that, you know. We didn't know if that was you were aware or you weren't aware. The next one is more like, hey, this item's kind of low on stock at the moment. We know you put it in your basket, so we thought we'll just check with you. Here's a 5%, you know, little incentive, you know, for you to encourage your checkout or to encourage you to purchase today. You know, for instance, it could be a timely incentive. So today, purchase today and get 20% off. Boom. You know, if they do want 20% off, if pricing is a challenge, you're going to get people who pricing is a challenge. But also you're going to remind them at the same time that that product's there and that you can reduce the price. So it's almost doing as much as you can to eliminate the doubts in people's minds, but also to encourage you know, them to purchase, making it so easy for them, you know, becoming a no-brainer. So once you've got that all sorted out, it's very straightforward. And I'll do a video next if you guys want me to and you're interested in this from this video. I'll do a video on the actual process of drop shipping. So actually showing the back end of Shopify and how that plugs into everything else. Showing the tools like Orbello, which is very crucial. So you need probably about 4 tools. Orbello, the Shopify platform. You need something called Campaign Monitor. That's what I recommend. It's an online system that allows you to send emails to all your customers and also allows you to do a lot of these automation I was talking about. OmniSend as well is one. It's a new one that's come up. I'm still reviewing it. But so far, it's great for the live view. Once anyone goes onto my website, it tells me who they are, not who they are, but it gives them a unique identification number, and it allows me to see how that person's been on my site, irrespective of having their details. So if I don't have their email or their number, I have a unique number that says this is the same person that came last time, and they came from this place, and this is what they did, this is what they did. So I can still understand people's journeys. And that's really important because when I was mentioning about conversion rate optimization is really all about being able to ensure that when people come, they buy more basically. So it's just finding ways to make your interface more attractive, having things that shout out, incentives, all sorts of things that are not annoying, but that actually are helpful at the right time. So that's really important, and that's something that I'll kind of show you. At the end of this video, I'll show you one of my e-com websites, just so you can see how it shows when you go to the page, and I'll explain a little bit about what I'm talking about, user-friendly, conversion optimization, and I'll explain about some of the bits that I've just changed recently to be able to increase that. So that's it. So the next thing is your sales channels and your marketing channels. Sales channels will be like your online, for instance, your Facebook store, your Instagram store. You know, there is Apple. Apple have a solution. There's a Google Shopping. There's a range of sales channels that you can have. I think I have 9 sales channels on my website, and I typically have 9 on all my websites. So 9 sales channels that you can have. Now, in regards to the marketing, there's several marketing channels which are all linked to all of these. So for instance, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all these things are key attributes for people who are trying to push online businesses and things that you need to use. For instance, YouTube, you need to put videos on. I have a video demonstrating, just like I said in one of my previous videos, dramatic demonstration is key. So instead of just shouting about solutions and about, you know, products, for instance, on my e-commerce websites, all of them have YouTube channels. On the YouTube channels, it demonstrates whatever it is. If it's how to build a website, if it's toys, if it's gadgets, if it's clothing, you see it there. You see someone in it. You're able to understand what it's like, but there is a demonstration. It's almost like a demo. You know, so it gives you a little bit more of a taster, but it also plays emotionally because you can see yourself in that. You know, if that's a problem that you're having, you can see that solving your problem. And that's crucial. That's really key to getting anyone to part with money. The truth is, we're all conscious about ensuring that we get things that meet what we're trying to achieve, what we require. And the closer this looks like it matches that, the better. A lot of people purchase emotionally, and that's why it's key that you ensure that you use a lot more of these social elements. And that's why when people see something, they can have an emotional attachment to it, and that's why dramatic demonstration is key. Now, this is how a lot of people are making money at the moment. If you have free time on your hands, right, and you have access to the computer, and you have internet, you can start an online business today. And you can start making up to 3,000-4,000 within your first month. And I'll show you how. Because I can help you through that, but at the end of the day, I can tell you the steps. But if you want me to help you through, based on my expertise, and set up your online business in 1 month, and get you making money from your first month, then let me know. I'll leave a link in the page below. New website's coming through for that, mybrandingyou.co.uk website. It's a one-stop startup shop which we've had since 2012. Now we're incorporating the e-commerce and the online side of things. So there's going to be an option there for you to simply just purchase a full e-com website, which is everything that I've mentioned, at a very reasonable price. And then obviously from then you can scale up as relevant. You know, but there's going to be a startup option for you if this is something that you think is interesting, but you could need my expertise to help you set up and then take it from there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or want me to show anything about dropshipping, about Shopify, about Wix, about any of these e-commerce platforms, or you have any questions, let me know. Now, one thing I'm going to say about myself, I'm not paid by any of these people to recommend anything. I'm only recommending things that I've used, and I'm only recommending things that I know work well. I'm able to make a lot of money online, and as you can see from my MyKey to Success, if you pop over to my Instagram, please do, you'll see that on our Instagram, all I'm focused on is really about helping people start up their businesses. And I've been doing this prior to the online era. Now I realize that e-com is probably the best way, fastest way, most effective way, but I'm making money in my sleep now, so I don't really need to worry about that, you know? So that's what I want to bring over to the community and what I want to share with people who are struggling. You do not have to struggle if you have time on your hands and you have access to the internet, which we all do today. So thank you very much. Let me know how you get on with your dropshipping websites, and let me know if you have any questions for me personally. I'll be more than happy to help. Please leave your comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Boom. See you later.
You and I, Bonnie and Clyde, my number one baby, my rhythm and blues.